Hi, Chris McClune here with Fire Apparatus and Emergency Equipment. Welcome to the October 2025 issue and to page 6 of that issue. We have been enduring some quite challenging times when it comes to apparatus purchasing. And this year in particular, there has been a lot of public questioning, public opinion on what is driving these challenges. And I think that right now, as a fire service, we need to collectively take a step back and really listen to what is being said, to really filter out the noise that is being made. There are lots of opinions out there. A lot of them are on the social media platforms. I see it on things that we post. Where there are some pretty hefty allegations being made about why we are where we are. One thing though that I would suggest that you do is take a look at fireapparatus.com/FAMA, FAMA. We've put together a few articles and some other resources there to help you kind of navigate through where we are right now. We talked with FAMA to find out, from its membership, which by the way has over 55 members count themselves as fire apparatus manufacturers of some sort. So remember that number. Remember that number. That's an important number when we're being told that there's no choice. But take a look at those things. We covered how we got to this point. We covered what the story is with the lead times that we have right now, and we've talked about what is causing the price increases. Of course, you may agree, you may disagree, and that's okay. But I really think that doing that could help you filter out some of the noise that you're hearing. We still need to buy rigs. We still need to get them. We need to update our fleets. We need to update our reserve fleet. And really, take a look at your own operations as well. Make sure that you are maintaining your fleet so that when they do go into reserve status, those new rigs, if they do go down for some reason, that you have the reserve rigs ready to go. So again, try to filter out that noise. Take a look at fireapparatus.com/FAMA, and come to your own conclusions. There are options out there. We have been covering them all this year. If you have any comments for me, I'm at chris.mcclune@clarionevents.com. So again, this has been Chris McClune with Fire Apparatus and Emergency Equipment. Have a good one and stay safe.